Hey guys, so the baby and I are in the car and we are all loaded up. We're heading up to that farmland renovation job real quick. One of the foremen on that job, he has a son who's a little over a year older than Remy, and he offered me his old baby clothes, and so I obviously took him up on that, and we're heading up to get them right now. Can I get a 16-ounce breve?
Yeah? Anything else?
No.
You want any flavor in there?
Nope.
Hot one?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you want straws or a sleeve? Okay. Give me just a second.
I'll trade you.
Thank you so much.
Yep,
Have
thank
a
you.
good one.
Yeah, see ya. What's your name?
Marissa.
Marissa? All right, so we are on our way up there, but I had to stop for coffee first because I don't really leave the house ever, and so I always have drip coffee at home, which is great and I love it, but sometimes you need something a little more fancy. But we're gonna head into the job and we'll see how it's changed since the last time we were there. It'll be different going down the road in my car, not in the dump truck. I'm sure the corners will be a little bit easier because the entrance is relatively tight, because it's just a 2-lane road and you take a left off the 2-lane into the job, and the opening was just barely big enough to get the truck and trailer around the corner without hitting all the grade stakes. We'll see if the grade stakes are still there though. But all right, well, let's see how this coffee is, because I've never been to this coffee stand before and I'm really picky about my coffee. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. It's not as good or as strong as some other places, but it's pretty good. I'll go there again, I'm sure. Oh, there's Bud right there. Oh, he didn't see me. Dang it. Okay, well, here we are. See how it's changed. Oh, it looks like you can't even get a truck and trailer in here anymore. Not with the, see, there's a cone sitting there on top of the drain. Yeah, no more truck and trailers. Fence is going up. Oh, the guys are gonna want to know what I'm doing here. Is Matt down there? How are you guys doing? See you guys. All right, well, okay, we got, the road's different. They're putting up a guardrail. Oh my gosh, you can't see it yet, but it's hugely different down here. Well, Bud can't really get around. Bud's dropped piles right in the way. Oh, it's lunchtime. on that job, so it is almost done. Sorry we couldn't get closer, but I mean, I guess it is what it is. They had the road dug up, plus they had material piled up on the road, so my mom car wasn't small enough to squeeze around the piles, and obviously the dump trucks don't fit by either, or they wouldn't be dumping the material in the middle of the road. But it's all good, so it looks like that job's almost finished, and it'll probably be completely done by the time I go back to work here in another month or so. I guess it's about a month. I guess that's all for today, guys, and I got a video coming out in a couple of days. We did some construction in the yard, and I thought you guys might want to see the progress on that, and we'll get that out to you soon, and I'll see you guys next time.